is Culture Jam.
Culture Jam.
Culture Jam.
Culture Jam.
Culture Jam 2018.
I'm Jaden Conway. I go to Kiski Prep. Culture Jam is all about being exposed to things that other people are used to or have seen that you haven't, and just really getting to know people from all around.
I'm Abby Hong. I'm 17 and I'm a senior at Ellis.
I'm Erica Davis. I'm also 17 and I'm also a senior at Ellis. We're the co-presidents of the Student Diversity League here at Ellis.
Essentially, the mission is to facilitate discussions within our community about social justice issues and how we can improve as a school and as a city.
We have a lot of privilege going to an all-girls private school, and we have to consider the perspectives of the people coming in from different public schools and even from schools in Somaliland, Ohio, and West Virginia, how their experience might differ from ours, and how we can best incorporate their perspectives and their experiences into Culture Jam.
My name is Javon Barnes, and I'm 17 years old. I go to Western Hills High School. I feel like this is a good thing to get people together. And I've never seen so many people get along in a small space. I haven't seen anybody look at me any type of way that would make me feel offended. And I'm getting along with everybody so far.
My name is Tommy Taiwo. I go to Orderdice and I'm 15. When I came here, I didn't know what to expect because it's my first time here. Just exposing to religions that I've never known. So it's like a really good thing to really help me. I immigrated here 4 years ago. I've not seen a lot of people of my culture except when I go to my church because it's an African church, it's a Nigerian church. I've seen like a lot of people of different cultures, of different race, of different religion that I might not even know existed when I was back in my country.
I made some new friends today.
Pretty cool. I'm learning so much.
Safe spaces all around so you can express how you feel, just learn about new cultures.
It was great to experience a new culture. Yeah, it was just great fun.
I think it's important to give students a chance to be themselves and talk about their experiences.